right, I want to welcome you to this online survey training. I believe we're going to have a fun time, throughout the course. Of course, any course that guarantees that you're going to make money is going to be a fun course, as you can agree with me. All right, so once again, you're welcome. Now, why do you need this course? Obviously, I believe that quite a number of persons already know about online surveys and how to, do surveys online and make money with it. Personally, as a personal experience, I actually made my first dollar online ever through online surveys, and that was the truth, and I was able to withdraw my money. But then you will agree with me, if you have had people that have done online surveys before, people have different types of complaints about online surveys, ranging from not seeing surveys that they are eligible to participate in, to getting onboarded and then there are no surveys to answer, or sometimes you run into scam survey website that just collect your data and don't give you money. And one of the most painful one is that sometimes you do surveys on some websites and you're seeing your money but you cannot make withdrawals. Okay, so these are some of the things that we are going to be trashing in this course, and how to properly participate in online surveys and make your money from it, as you have seen a number of students do. All right, so what are we going to be needing for this course? Basically, of course, you have to have your internet enabled devices, and then after that, there are two basic things that you will have to spend money on. Number one is that you need to get a premium VPN. Okay, you don't want to use just any kind of a VPN, because the survey website that we are going to be talking about, I'm going to be giving you in this course, they are all domiciled in the United Kingdom and they only want United Kingdom residents. So we need a strong VPN and to set it up the proper way. So you will need to be buying that. Now, how much does it cost? I cannot say, because the price goes up or comes down as the naira to dollar rate fluctuates. That is if you are from Nigeria. Okay, so I remember the last time I did a course on this, I think in Nigerian naira it was around 5,000 thereabout, but the next time I was going to be updating the course, it had jumped to 8,000. So you will need that VPN to be able to set up a proper residential setup for the United Kingdom, as you will see as we go along the course. And then the second thing you will need is also a UK phone number, okay, which you will also have to buy. But the good thing about the VPN is that you can actually subscribe and get a 7 days free trial before you make your first payment. So at least with that, you can set up your account and start doing your surveys and see how things go. So basically, those are the two things that you're going to be buying in order to get yourself ready for this course. And then once you get those set up, then you can complete your registration, as I will show you in the videos, and then you go ahead, start making your surveys and start making your money from it. Okay, now if you will need any support, the first thing I want to tell you is that you have to listen to the training very well, because I wouldn't want to be repeating some of the things we've talked about in the training, or that I will be talking about in the training already. That will be a lot of work. Like I have a lot of inquiries I respond to, a lot of customers I deal with every day. So that is the reason why anytime I'm making videos like this, I try to make it as detailed as possible, so that some questions will naturally not be repeating themselves again. So make sure you watch these videos very well so that you understand. But of course, peradventure, if you still have questions or clarifications, then you can always reach out to me through our different channels, and then I'm going to respond to you, or anybody that has undergone or passed through some of the things that you've gone through can also respond to help you. So I want to welcome you once again, and depending on where you are watching this from, I host my courses in different places. So it's possible that you will be watching this either from my YouTube, private class, or on another private class. Whichever place that you're going to be seeing this course, just check the playlist, and then you'll be able to see each lessons one after the other, well detailed. Make sure you don't jump through lessons. Make sure you watch each lesson one after the other, and then I believe that this is going to be an interesting journey for us. Thank you. and I'll see you in lesson 1.